All right, here is the 2020 Forest River Wildwood 179 DBK. Let's start at the front of the coach here. So you have your manual tongue jack. Previous owners left the weight distribution hitch, and that's a really nice feature. We have battery shutoff on the battery box. Stabilizer jacks are manual. And here is the weight distribution hitch and the pass-through storage. And on down the coach, we have your furnace exhaust, your hot water tank, your city water connection, and so this one's city water, this one's to fill your fresh water tank. That's your power outlet. This is your black tank flush. Very handy to clean that out. And speaking of cleaning that out, your outlets. Also have the low point drains under here, and this is for cable and satellite hookup. Driver's side looks really nice. In the back here, got your spare tire, outdoor shower, and it is prepped for a backup camera. Back is also in very nice shape, and the campsite also looks really nice other than needing a little bath. So we have the outdoor kitchen. Has this nice drawer, space underneath, the mini fridge, and extra outlets and USB ports on the side. It's a big awning. We've got an extra 110 outlet here. And here's the other side of the pass-through storage. Little stains, but nothing crazy. And then we also have the side solar. So you can plug a solar panel into here and then stretch a solar panel on into the yard. Get your battery charged. And let's go inside. So you can see the rip I was talking about on the floor there. We're gonna fix that. Has this really nice shoe cubby storage under the dinette. Murphy bed over here. We've got a storage closet on this side. Nice and clean, no leaks. Nice and clean. Got the little kitchen area, microwave up above, propane electric refrigerator, and the dinette. Oh, nice, they have little shocks on them. Nice and dry in there too. All right, in the bunk area, so you got a little storage underneath. Both bunks have their own window. And the bathroom. And that's the Wildwood.